Dear children, now let us continue with the 8th lesson matter. Okay. Today's topic, let us discuss about solutions. So what is the definition of solutions here? What is solution? What are solutions? A solution is defined as a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Usually it consists of one substance, the solute, and being dissolved in a second substance, the solvent. Okay, what are solution? What is solution here? The solution is defined. A solution is defined as a homogeneous mixture of two or more substance homogeneous mixture of two or more substance. Usually it consists of one substance, the solute, being dissolved in a second substance, the solvent. Is called solution. So what is solute here? Now let us discuss about the solute and the solvent. So what is solute here? Solute means substance which is dissolved. Substance which is dissolved is called solute. Understood? Now what is solvent? Substance in which a solute dissolved. Substance in which a solute dissolved is called a solvent. And at last, aqueous. Aqueous solution means what? A solution using water as a solvent. We call it as a aqueous solution. Here water is most common solvent on earth and life depends upon it. As you all know that water is one of the most common solvent on the earth. So water is called as the universal solvent. Water the universal solvent and another. Endukante here in water most of the solute dissolve in the water. Most of the solute ikkada solute anedi emunte avani water lo dissolve aitundi karigipotayi. Andike water is called as the universal solvent also. Okay, now experiment to prove solubility of salt in water. So for that you have to conduct one of the experiment. For that what you have to do? Materials required. What materials is required for this? You have to collect some of the materials. First thing you have to collect water, and next graduated cylinder, balance, isopropyl alcohol 70% or higher, 2 clear plastic cups, salt, 2 small plastic cups. These are the materials required for this experiment. Next procedure. How to do this? First, in a separate cups, measure 2 samples of salt that weigh 5 gram each. So what you have to do? In a separate cups, first you have to collect 2 cups. 2 cups collect చేసుకోవాలి. You have to collect 2 cups. After collecting 2 cups, what you have to do? you have to measure 2 samples of salt that weighs 5 gram each. You have to measure 2 samples of salt. 2 samples of salt. You have to collect salt in this also. In 2 cups you have to collect salt. Salt. After collecting, what you have to do? 2 samples of salt that weighs 5 gram each. Each should contains 5 gram. Each cup should contains 5 gram of salt. 5 gram of salt. After weighing, you have to put it into the 2 cups. Next, place 15 ml of water and alcohol in separate cups. Place 15 ml of water and alcohol. You have to take another 2 cups. Inka koni 2 cups తీసుకోవాలి. For 1 cup, you have to add 15 ml of water. In 1 cup, you have to add 15 ml of water. And in another cup, you have to add alcohol in separate cups. 15 ml of alcohol. Another cup you have to add 15 ml of alcohol. Alcohol collect చేసుకోవాలి. After collecting, next what you have to do? Swirl both cups that same way for about 20 seconds and check the amount of salt to dissolve. Means what you have to do? Swirl both cups the same way for about 20 seconds. Means swirl for another 20 seconds and check. Swirl for the last 20 seconds and check. Carefully pour out the water and alcohol from the cups and compare the amount of undisclosed salt left in each cup. So what you have to do? This 1 cup you have to pour in the water. 1 cup of salt you have to pour in the water. Another cup of salt you have to pour in the 15 ml of alcohol. After pouring it, next what you have to do? అంటే ఒక కప్లో ఉన్న సాల్ట్ 15 ml ఆఫ్ వాటర్ ఉంది కదా, దీంట్లో పోర్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ అనదర్ సాల్ట్ కప్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు పోర్ ఇన్ ద 15 ml ఆఫ్ ఆల్కహాల్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు swirl means you have to stir well, mix it well. After mixing, observe the, you have to keep it for 20 seconds. Keep it for 20 seconds and observe the changes. Expected result, there will be less undisclosed salt in the cup with the water than the alcohol. This means that more salt dissolved in water than in alcohol. Means what happens here? Here we are pouring the salt in the water as well as in the alcohol. So no, first cup salt తీసుకొని వాటర్ వేస్తే ఇక్కడ salt content అనేది వాటర్ లో కరిగిపోతుంది, dissolves in water. And in the second cup of salt, when you put in the second, that is 15 ml of alcohol, there it doesn't dissolve completely. The salt doesn't dissolve completely in the alcohol. Understood? By this what we can say that అంటే ఇక్కడ సాల్ట్ అనేది ఒకటి సొల్యూట్ అనేది. The salt acts as a, here the salt acts as a solute. Here the water and alcohol, it acts as a solvent. Water and alcohol, it acts as a solvent. So when you mix this salt in the 2 cups, it becomes solution. Yes or no? So here in the first cup the salt completely dissolves, and in the second cup the salt does not dissolve completely in the alcohol.